Hi everyone, it's Lynnea here with a quick video for Pink and Main. I'm going to be creating an easy background with a simple stamped image on top. This is one of my go-to layouts for a card when I need something quick, and it's really easy to adapt this style for any theme of card. I'm making a holiday card today, but you could use this for birthday, anniversary, wedding, anything that your heart desires. Just switch up the stamps. I'm using the Pink and Main, the Best Gift stamp set, and I'm going to be repeating one single image across my card background panel. This is also the image that I'm going to be stamping and coloring as the forefront image. So that was just my personal choice to take the one image and repeatedly stamp this across my background. You could do this and create your own pattern paper and then choose a different image to stamp on top. But I wanted to kind of keep everything cohesive and use the same image. Once I have this all done, I'm going to go ahead and just spatter on some shimmer watercolors. This is something that I like to do a lot with my backgrounds. It helps to fix any imperfections, and even though I didn't have any imperfections here, I did have some extra white space, and I thought about not adding spatters because I really liked the look of that homemade black and white pattern paper, but I decided to go and follow my heart and add some spatters. So I'm going with some cranberry colored ink as well as some gold shimmer watercolors, and that's just going to kind of bring out a little bit of extra sparkle in my card. I set that panel aside to dry, and now I'm just going to work on coloring my image. Like I said before, I'm using the same image to color and be my focal point that I used to stamp my background. I'm just coloring up this little bear with some E3 markers, so E30. So I started with E39, then I'm using E37, E35, and I'll go down to E33 as my lightest color. I like to start with my lightest and then work up, or start with my darkest rather, work down towards my lightest. For my reds, I used some R59, R39, and R29, and then I just filled in the greenery around that little wreath as well. And I used a W2 and W0 marker to kind of give some shadow around the bear. Once my bear was all colored, I went ahead and grabbed the Best Gift coordinating dies, and I'm just going to cut this little guy out. I took some vellum and die cut a zigzag circle. I actually cut two pieces and layered them together to kind of tone down that background a little bit. My image wasn't standing out enough, so that's a trick that I like to do, is just to use some vellum. I stamped a sentiment from the Best Gift, and I'm going to just trim out some little flag banner edges. I'm going to pop up all of those images with some foam tape so they stand out a little bit, and here's my finished card. I absolutely love this design for when you need a quick card, and like I said in the beginning, you can customize this layout for any occasion. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this really quick tutorial. Coming up on the screen here are a couple more videos that I thought you might like. Thanks again for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye!